Hey guys. So I hate doing it this way, but this was a short week and we're almost at the end of the school year already. So we are going to do a crash course on climate change today. This is something I usually talk about for about a week or two. We're going to try to do it in a day and then, work it into some of our lessons coming up. So right after you're done watching my short video, I just want you to scroll down and watch a Bill Nye video. It's about 4 minutes, I guess, but he very briefly explains what's going on with climate change, what it is, why it's happening, and why we should care. I love Bill Nye. I think you're going to get a lot out of his video. Then, when you're done, I want you to click on the link that I'm giving you for the World Wildlife Foundation's website about the effects of climate change. All I want you to do is explore. Look at this website. If you scroll down, it'll talk about the impacts on wildlife. Then you could scroll through this list here and you could look at the effects of climate change on specific species. Then, if you scroll down a little bit more, you could see about the effect on polar regions. There's a great video on why ice is important for our planet. You could look at the effect on oceans. You can look at the effect on forests. Look at that image. And then on fresh water sources. Okay. Very brief website. I just want you to skim through it. And then for today's activity, I want you to tell me about the effects of climate change on one of these topics on this website. You could pick a specific region, like I just showed you, whether it's the polar regions, the oceans, the forests, or freshwater sources. Or you could pick a specific species if that interests you more. So, just to recap, today I want you to watch Bill Nye's video, learn the brief background of what climate change is and why it's happening. Again, this is a natural occurrence, yes, but you could argue that human activity is contributing to the rapid climate change that we're experiencing. Okay, so watch Bill Nye's video, then visit this World Wildlife Foundation website, skim, pick one topic that interests you, and in a very brief response, just tell me about the effects of climate change on one of these things, whether it's a species or a region or whatever. You can type, a 3-sentence response, or you can send me a video or audio response. Totally up to you. All right. So, as always, if you have any questions, just shoot me an email and I will get right back to you. All right. Good luck, guys.